Hello friends, welcome to EasyTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert PDF file into MS Word. Let's get started. This is the PDF file, which I will convert into MS Word. I will edit the headings, paragraphs, diagram, and change the logo. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. You can do this by searching for Word in the Start menu if you're using Windows. Next, click on Open in the left corner. Browse your computer and select the PDF file you want to convert. Microsoft Word will now display a message saying that it will convert the PDF into an editable Word document. Just click OK to continue. Now, Word will automatically convert your PDF. This may take a few seconds depending on the file size. Now I can change texts, removing texts, adding texts. I can reformat the diagrams. I can also able to change the logos. Once you're done, save the file by clicking File and Save and choosing Word document.docs as the format. And that's it. You've successfully converted a PDF file into an editable Word document. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.